Hi everyone, I'm Hai from Biochemistry Department. Today I will guide you through the fehling'stest, testing for aldehydes and reducing sugar. Attention! Copper sulfate can cause severe irritation of the skin and eyes. It is very toxic to aquatic life and may cause long-term adverse effects in the aquatic environment. Sodium hydroxide can cause severe chemical burns. Use protective equipment and follow proper techniques to avoid personal and property damages. Preparation for the fehling'stest. Fehling's reagent includes two solutions of phehling A and phehling B. Phehling A solution is made of 40 grams of copper sulfate and 1,000 milliliters of distilled water. Phehling B solution is made of 200 grams of potassium sodium tartrate, 150 grams of sodium hydroxide, and 1,000 milliliters of distilled water. Glucose 1% solutions. Fructose 1% solution. Maltose 1% solution. Sucrose 1% solution. And starch 1% solution. We need tube racks and clean glass tubes and plastic pipette. Finally, we need water bath and tube clamp. For the test, both solution phehling A and B are mixed so the copper and the tartrate ions react to form a deep blue complex. The volumetric mixing ratio is 1:1. This mixing solution can be called phehling working solution. The copper ion in the complex is easily reduced by many reducing compounds. Next, we add each of the sugar solution to the tube with 1 milliliter of Fehling's working solution. Add 5 drops of 1% solutions to the phehling tube. Glucose is a monosaccharide with aldehyde group in its molecule. Add another tube with 10 drops of 1% glucose solution. We will compare the result between these two tubes in order to determine complete and incomplete reduction. Add 10 drops of 1% fructose solution to the phehling tube. Fructose is another monosaccharide and also a chemical isomer of glucose. It has one cetyl group in molecule. Add 10 drops of 1% maltose solution to the phehling tube. This is a disaccharide made of 2 glucose molecules which are connected by one 4-glycosidic bond. Add 10 drops of 1% sucrose solution to the phehling tube. This is another disaccharide. It makes up glucose and fructose which are connected by one 2-glycosidic bond. Add 10 drops of 1% starch solution to the phehling tube. This is a polysaccharide made of many glucose molecules which are connected by one 4 and one 6-glycosidic bonds. On this tube is heated for a minimum of 2 to 3 minutes in a water bath, then remove them from the water bath. A positive result is indicated by a precipitate of copper 1 oxide can exhibit different colors. Glucose gives a positive result because it had the aldehyde group. That's why this reaction can also be used test for aldehydes. After testing, the tube with 10 drops of glucose solution give a clear liquid and red brick precipitate at the bottom of the tube. This means copper 2 ion is completely reduced to copper 1 ion by glucose. In the opposite, the tube with 5 drops of glucose solution give a blue liquid and less red brick precipitate at the bottom of the tube. This is because there is not enough glucose to reduce copper 2 ion to copper 1 ion. Fructose gives a positive result too, because it can reduce copper 2 ion to copper 1 ion. Maltose gives a positive result, because this disaccharide has only one of its 2 anomeric carbons involved in a glycosidic bond, meaning that they can convert to an open chain form with an aldehyde group. With the result of blue liquid after the test, it can be seen that maltose reducing properties are not as strong as glucose. In the contrast, sucrose, another disaccharide, gives a negative result. This sugar has glycosidic bond between its anomeric carbons and thus cannot convert to an open chain form with an aldehyde group. It is stuck in a cyclic form. Finally, starch gives a negative result because it don't have a free aldehyde or ketone group. Common mistakes. The volume of filling and sugar solution doesn't match. Heating time is not long enough. Use the same pipette to dispense the sugar solutions. Shake the tube before receiving the results. This was the feeling test for reducing sugars and aldehydes. I hope you guys enjoyed, and please feel free to comment or email your questions. See you in another practice lesson.